Greetings to you all beautiful souls. Another style is there. Let's quickly learn it together. Alright, the fabric on my hand is Seiko material. You see the division, just 30, 70. Yeah, so placing it on my jaw this way, I twisted a little part of it. That 20 side, I twisted it, then tuck it in to that longer side and continue twisting it. Okay, now I place it on my head this way. Alright, holding that place that is open that I placed under my jaw. Then I bring it to the front. Okay, just watch closely what I am doing. So I twisted it a little bit and then pass it through that hole and drag everything out. Watch closely and drag everything out. Okay, so now I'm going to raise this part up after stretching it. Stretch it and make sure it's very firm on your head. Alright, now this part, now I will stretch it out. Pay attention to what I am doing. The style is very simple, very easy. 2 seconds you are done and you're good to go, especially when you want to keep your hair open, the back open, you don't want to close it. Alright, so raising it up this way, I squeeze it and bring it down. So I'm going to create a ruffle, a center ruffle. Alright, so watch now, I'm squeezing it and bringing it down. Then the upper part of it is still on my hand. I bring it down to the base of that head wrap. Then I use my office pin to hold this thing, pin it firmly to the base of that head wrap. Alright, so what I did this other side, that is exactly what I'm going to do this side as well. So if this is the first time you're coming across my video, the person you're hearing my voice is Demi Igili Empire on YouTube and on Facebook, Demi Entertainment. Alright, so please let's learn together. Don't forget to hit that subscription button. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's learn together. And if actually you're benefiting, please share my videos to your friends and family. Let them also benefit from it. Learn head wrapping all by yourself. Yes, all by yourself. You don't need any person, anybody to help you do your head wrap when you're going to special events, churches, ceremonies and all that. Alright, you can see we are done tying. So arrange it. That is what the back looks like. Very easy, very simple. So that is it. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's keep moving. Alright, so dancing time.